All right, found a place last night and got my tent set up before dark. Barely, the sun was setting. Slept all right. The packing up this morning was way faster than when I was putting everything into stuffed sacks. So definitely new bags are paying off for sure. I think it took me 20 30 minutes to take down everything, whereas before it's usually about an hour or so. Stopped and made some breakfast. Had one of those Mountain House biscuits and gravy that I had laying around in the house. Made some coffee and yeah, just rolling. It's about 6 a.m. right now. So I think Dodgeville's the next big town. Ooh. And shortly thereafter I'll be on the roads the rest of the trip. So anyway, I'm gonna keep trucking along. All right, so about 12 miles in. It's just before 8 o'clock. This trail's fairly nice. There's some potholes and stuff in it, but it's just slow going. I'm ready to be on pavement. Hopefully that's not too much further. Just doing like 7-8 miles an hour. So I stopped in Dodgeville, the gas station, to fill up on some water, and I got had a hobo come up, crazy hobo, and talk to me about all his crazy theories for a while. At least he stayed socially distanced, but he was kind of spitting when he was talking, so yeah, who knows. But rather interesting theories. He had some rather interesting theories, telling me all the places he's been, but it was entertaining. But anyway, on to next town, Mineral Point. I am on the roads now and in the hills. About 20 miles down. It's noisy. About 30, yeah, I'd say 30 left to go. Well, I didn't get that much sleep last night, so took a little rest here at the park. Just laid on the picnic table. There's a really cool breeze. It feels nice. I was kind of laying half in the sun, half in the shade. But yeah, this park is really well maintained. Very nice. So yeah, I didn't sleep that great last night, so I got up at 5 in the morning. So. Still feeling exhausted, even after my rest. But got about 25 miles left. Wind's picking up, and it seems to be a little bit in my favor. At least it's not a headwind, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm gonna hit the road. So this is the cheese trail or whatever, and the reason I didn't go on it is because ATVs. I just looked down the path and there's like ATV after ATV and just clouds of dust. So definitely not worth biking unless maybe you're on a weekday. Seems very, very popular. But it's a beautiful country to bike around here, and there's a lot of amenities because the trail's here, so. It's just a gorgeous valley. I've got a big climb coming up. My GPS is telling me. It's like a 1.25 mile climb. Should be fun. Oh my god, these gnats are killing me. It's amazing how fast they can go. But it sucks even more. You can probably see them flying around the camera. Climbing the hill, they're all in my face. Trying to get in my eyes. Ugh. So I'm changing my route a little bit. I'm going out to the highway. I was gonna jog originally when I routed everything out 3 miles on the Cheese County Trail, the one that's full of ATVs, but there's no way today. It's super busy. There's no good roads going that way because they all go up the valley and then around and back down and up again. So I'm just backtracking slightly, and then I'm gonna get on 23 and take that. So should be better. Hopefully there's a shoulder on it, but most of Wisconsin's roads or highways are good for biking. So beautiful day. It's nice and sunny, but the breeze is just cool. It's like, I don't know, maybe 65 degrees out. Perfect for biking, except for these gnats. All right. forgot to mention too, Mineral Point is really cool. I don't know if it's an old mining town or something, but they've got a lot of old historic houses there. Very old for the area, like 18, whoa, some strong manure. Like 1850s, are all made from limestone. Just really cool. Some log cabins, and a lot of them are in the process of being restored too. So really neat little town. Pretty large downtown too, so I'm gonna be heading back there for sure. Well, as I suspected, this highway is perfect. So, nice shoulder. It's not too terribly busy, and it's less hilly too, since it's a highway meant for semi trucks and stuff, which is wonderful. Just gotta look out for. I just have to look out for the road apples. It's a Amish community here. Yeah, I'm feeling much better too. Maybe warming myself up on those hills. I don't know, just taking the little rest I did. I feel way better than I did, you know, an hour and a half ago, and this morning for that matter. So it's good. Well, there's a historical marker. I'm gonna stop and check it out. That makes sense. So Mineral Point must have been popular for lead mining. So the site of Fort Defiance, 1832. Very cool. All right, so got about 8 or 9 miles left. There's a campground here in this town, in the Pecatonica River Park. It looks actually pretty full. I don't know that every site's taken, but I really hope the place I want to stay is not full, because I'm looking forward to just setting up, chilling, and supposedly they have showers there, and it's like $10, so oh well, I guess we'll find out when we get there. It's like, let's see, it's almost 2:30, so not too bad. This is ATV heaven. I'm in the town of Darlington. They have a campground here for mainly for that Cheese County Trail thing, and it looks like it's full of ATV people. All right, I'm on the home stretch. Just staying over tonight in Gratiot, or Gratiot. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but that's where the city park is that I'm going to try and stay at. All right, I made it. This place is packed. This might be the only site left. It's not the best one because it's right next to the trail, the ATV trail, but whatever, I don't care. I'm just gonna take a shower and relax. So, drying out all my stuff. Let's see what the mileage was. 53.5 miles. A little bit longer than I expected, but I guess that's because I backtracked. So it looks like 27 or 26 tomorrow, back to the truck. So not bad. It'll be a quick day, and I'll still have some of my Sunday when I get back home. So anyway, cool little town, definitely busy. Get this stuff set up and aired out and go take a shower.